Hi guys, so today we're going to do a shoulder workout and arm workout. So we're going to chop wood. So what we need is some tools. You can see right here. I've already done some things before. So follow me. So here's our setup. We need a big block of wood and a small one. We need technique as well to chop the wood. If you want to subscribe on the channel, click right here. Follow us on Instagram right here. Okay, so the most important thing is to chop right in the middle. So we're going to start with how to handle the axe. You have to take one grip palm up and one grip palm down. Then you swing, go behind the neck, and you go like this. So now I'm going to show it. Please take a little distance for your own safety. Family and children.
As you can see, Chokezzz is a professional wood chopper. He's been doing this for centuries. For decades, I mean.
I feel an increase in my testosterone as well. So this bit of wood is way too easy, so I'm going to decide to take a much harder one. Guys, this was it for today. Every week we upload new videos on Tuesday and on Saturdays. Stay tuned and feel free to subscribe. Dat edit, oké. As you can see guys, this is the man behind the BatteryBox. In his spare time, he's using his frustration of the channel to chop wood for his grandparents. As you can see, he's no one to fuck with. He's the real deal. He's the GOAT, the greatest of all time. But unfortunately, the other guy, Ghent, couldn't be here. He was busy studying, but otherwise he would join the squad. But in our heart, he's with us, Jens. He's a member of the squad. I myself, the man who's filming this video, is the boss of the BatteryBox Facebook page.
Boss?
I own a page of Facebook. So, if you want, please like and comment on the latest post about a year ago.
2 years ago.
But stay tuned for the new Instagram page. And please follow Chokezzz on Instagram, a brand new clothing brand based in Ghent, who's making new product, Khabib Nurmagomedov t-shirts, all sizes available, slim fit, navy blue. We also have a website and we have a photographer. The website is chokezzz9000 at wix.com. Wix. We don't speak Dutch. Niet. So we have our own photographer here. Is in his spare time a wood chopper. He takes the little piece because the big one was way too hard.
I chopped that one already.